Welcome back Tech Fam. Your Techsys is in the house again, and today we'll be talking about character set in C. Alright, so what is a character set? Like in all natural languages that we speak, computer languages also use a character set that defines the fundamental unit used to represent an information. For us, character set for our languages can be something like words and all of it, right? Gosh Words, letters, all of it. This is our character set for our languages. For example, I'm speaking English. So for me, character set is words, verbs, vowels, and all of it. Letters and all of it. So let's see for C, what is the character set? Okay, character set in C can be of nearly 5 types. Alright. These character sets include, the set of characters include, first of all the letters in the English alphabet, A to Z, and the small letters, Z or Z, whatever you guys tell, it's up to you. The next, that one that comes in the character set is the numbers, including every number from 1 to 9, whichever number can be permutated or combination of numbers 0 to 9. Special characters also get included, that's the third one, such as at symbol, percentage, ampersand, star, brackets, greater than or lesser than, whatever you guys say, equals to, plus, all of it, all of the special symbols. Then we also have a blank symbol. All right, this is basically like a space symbol, like if you're writing two words, and if this space is also a character set for C language. Then the last one are the escape sequence. Escape sequences. If you guys have not watched the previous video on escape sequence, go find and watch it, because it gives you an idea what this escape sequence means. Alright, these are the character sets. These are the 5 character sets of C languages. Alright, next, what is these character sets? These character sets, when combined forms token. If you guys have again not watched the video, go to the previous video. You will find the basic explanation on C tokens. So this is what character set is. These token, as you guys remember, acts like a building block for C languages, and these character set helps in making that building block. Alright, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understand. And for exams, again, these 5 points are important. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 points are important. Remember them. It's easy to remember. If you want to know what are the characteristics in basic language, write everything that comes into your mind. You'll be using alphabets, numbers, any sort of symbol, blank symbol, and if you're using next line, tab, space, all of it. So this is it for this video. Thank you. Goodbye. See you in the next video.